Hi, welcome to this tutorial about giving campaigns. I'm Stephanie, the community manager here at B1G1, and I'll be taking you through the tutorial today. Giving campaigns are a feature on B1G1 that allow anyone in your community to give, even if they're not B1G1 members. So here's what a giving campaign will look like in your account. You can choose a bunch of projects that you like and add it to this widget, and anyone who comes to this page can just click on this Give Now button to give now. So now let me show you how to create a giving campaign in your B1G1 account. So I've just logged into my B1G1 account now, and where you're going to find giving campaigns is in the top navigation bar under Share. So right there I've highlighted that. If you hover over that, you will see in the middle we have a giving campaign option. So let's just click on that. So you'll be welcomed by the happy little B1G1B, and all you have to do is click Get Started, this button right here. So I'm going to click it, and it'll ask you to add a title for your campaign, so maybe my first campaign. You can add a subtitle here too, and then you're going to want to drag over one of the projects from the right. So you should have already favorited some projects, and if not, we have the global projects here. So I'm going to choose healthcare and perhaps education. So I've chosen 2 projects for my campaign. If I'm happy with all of this, I just have to click Save. That's it, campaign successfully saved. Now you've created your campaign. What if you want to edit it? Add some projects, remove some projects, or maybe change the title? Let me show you how to do that. So I'm back on the Giving Campaign page, and I'm going to want to look for the 3 dots in the top right of the campaign, which is right here, these 3 dots here. I'm going to hover over it, and I'll see Edit Campaign. So if I click on it, I can edit the projects I want, the title, and then just click Save Changes. Alright. So you've perfected your giving campaign, and now you want to put it on your website. You can do that by embedding it on your website. Let me show you how to do it. So I'm back on the giving campaign page, and this time I'm going to hover over the 3 dots again, but I'll choose a different option. I will choose copy embed code, the second option. So I'm going to click on it, and then you'll see it says here, successfully copied. So the code is now copied, and all you have to do is go to your website and paste the code. That's it. So you've learned how to create a giving campaign. And there are some things that are good to know when doing that. First things first, you can only have 1 campaign per account. So if you want to change a title or change projects, you can do that, but you can't have a second campaign. And for your campaign, you can have up to 5 projects. Anything more than that, you'll have to remove some other projects to make space. For more tips and tricks about giving campaigns, you can read the article below, or you can reach out to us by email at team@b1g1.com. Bye!